Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how to erase background on Gimp. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on Gimp software. So the first thing that you need to do guys is add an image. In order to do that, go and click on file and then click on open, or you can also click on Ctrl+O on your keyboard. Once you do that, search for the image that you want. And once you find the image, go ahead and click on it and then click on open. Once you click on open, then click on keep. And then as you can see guys, the image is added to Gimp. So now in order to remove the background, for example, from this image, go ahead and here in the left side of your screen, you're going to find some tools. So go ahead and click on foreground select. Give it a right click and then click on free select. Once you do that, zoom in a little bit and then you need to select your item. So for example, like this. So I'm going to do it very quick, but you can take your time in order to select the item that you're going to want to remove. So just make sure that you select all of it. And then once you select it, as you can see guys, we're going to find the selection moving like this. So go ahead and click on select and then click on invert. Once you click on invert, then go to edit and then click on cut. As you can see guys, now the background has been removed. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.